Zayne, I love you. Look, Zayne. It's me. It's me, Zayne. Look, it's my parrot. This is funny, this video. Make you laugh. What's this?
What? Pooping!
It's funny, that video. Love my Zayne, but he pushed me away. You pushed me away. Where was you? I can't have you. I don't want nobody, baby. I can't have you. What are your friends? What happened at work? You said they called you names. That's not my fault, Zayne. That's because they know you keep blocking me. Push me away. I never deserve to be pushed away. I love you, Zayne. I don't deserve you to push me away anymore. Why you push me away? Why are you still your Moroccan? You're just with her because of what she looks like. You don't love her. You don't love her. She doesn't love you, Zayne. Why are you with somebody you don't love? I know you love me more than her, but why do you keep blocking me? You block me because you fancy her, you don't love her, you fancy her.